3.5 kilograms of water. This is easy. You only have to do one conversion. That's it. You just have to do just one conversion, and that is it. Now again, let's go ahead and write the definition of what molality is, which is moles of solute over a kilogram of solvent. I can probably give you this, but again, you still have to do the math. Moles of solute, it's not given, but we are given grams. So moles of solute, I'll try to do it all on the one side because this is really, really easy. Moles of solute is you've got to convert that to grams to moles. So given information, 1, and then I just calculated the molar mass of sulfuric acid in the previous problem. It's 98 grams over 1 mole. So 98 grams goes on top, 1 mole goes here. So what's the answer?
0.034.
Very good, Jennifer. See you later, Travis. So we got the moles done, top part. The kilograms, you don't need to do anything. It's already given in kilogram, perfect number. So we just have to go solve the problem. Molality equals moles of solute, which is 0.034 moles over 3.5 kilograms. You don't need to do anything. It's already in kilograms. This is the easiest of the problem. So what do you get?
0.009.
0 point?
0.009.
0.009 moles over kilogram. If there is a problem that I left, but you didn't know how to do it, I don't think I did. I covered everything. I gave you every equation that you need to solve this entire homework. So if any of you want to stay one more minute, I'll write all the equations on here that I've given you today. So you can just take one photograph of it. It's all in the PowerPoint. You don't need me to write it, but if you need,
Thank you.
I'll just write it down. So when pressure at constant, I'm just going to use the word.
What is this?
What's
What
this?
is this? What are you writing?
I'm just giving you all the equations. I put it in boxes here.
Oh.
This is how it will be on the first page of the test. Okay. At constant temperature, T means temperature, at constant T and N. Okay, this is how I should write it. That's why I'm going to write it. That means it's P1, B1 equals P2, B2. This is how you will see a table on the first page of your test that has all the constants, equations, and stuff. Let me write it in black. Some of you can see it here. So P1, B1 equals P2, B2. This is the one equation. If you're given two pressures, one volume, you have to calculate the third. At constant pressure at the end, this you can also use it for your homework to solve because it makes your life easy. Pressure in the end would be V1 over T1 equals V2 over T2. Now you have to make sure that you do convert temperature to Kelvin, and then at constant pressure and we did temperature, pressure, constant volume again. So that would be, this is for this is for this. I don't have space, I'll write it here. Volume at the end would be P1 over T1 equals P2 over T2. You do not have to memorize. These equations will be on the first page of the test. And then molarity would be uppercase M equals moles of solute over volume of solution. So the unit here is moles over here. And molality equals moles of solute over kilogram of solvent. The unit is moles over. Let me erase, and then there's I think one more equation I gave today. And that is the ideal gas law equation. PV equals nRT, and R is 0.08314 liter. This is unit. You cannot input this in the calculator. Just okay. That's it. That's all you need to do homework 5. And of course, you have all that.
That's all you need.
And if you have this, you should be good. That's it, guys. We're done with the exam material. We'll just review next week.
Great.
We'll come up with a practice test and then list of topics.
Do we get credit for the practice test, or is it just going to
No,
be
it's just
like?
practice.
Okay. Dang it.
But you do need it, like I said, it's in a typical chemistry classroom in a lecture. They only do review for the final. They don't do reviews for the exams. But then they go every day, or the 3 hours of class, and they learn something new every time.
Yeah.
They keep going until the battery drains out. And imagine if I teach you whatever I've taught you over the last 2.5 weeks in like 1 or 1.5 classroom session. You'll go mad. But that's
That's what
what's,
we already know.